Okay, so I seen on YouTube it said about burping contests and stuff. Well, I figured that I would try to enter. So I'm gonna drink some Dr. Pepper. And no, it's not diet. I don't drink that nasty stuff. Blech. I mean, come on, diet. Ugh. Do you know what's in that stuff? Anyways, here I go. I'm going to try to drink as much of this as I can, and then burp as loud as I can. See if I can win this little burping contest thing going on YouTube. There you go, that's my entry. And my son screaming, ew, mommy, stop doing that. Okay, well, here's my entry.